Hello friends, let's see how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer software inside your Windows machine. So simply you have to go to my website www.linuxtiwari.com. Okay, so once you go here and on this website you have to go to the software page. Okay, so you just go to the software page. When you go to, CCNA page. Okay, when you go to the CCNA page, you can see here option download Cisco Packet Tracer 6.2. So this one is for Windows. Okay, so just click on it and you will get a link from Google Drive. Just click on download anyway. So this will be 147 MB file and you can see downloading has been started. You can see the downloading left hand side bottom. Okay, once it will be downloaded, I will show you how to install it. So let me install. First of all, let's wait for the download. After downloading, we are going to install it. Now this software is about to install. So installation is done. Downloading has been completed. Now you can install this application. Just click and click on open. Click on open button. Then click on yes. Now you can close the browser. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. Install. And you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer software has been installed inside my Windows machine. Okay, so this is the simple steps to install Cisco Packet Tracer inside your Windows machine. It will ask you some option. I will show you. I'm not going to skip anything. Okay, so you have to click OK here. Then click on finish. Once you start the finish, it will try to open. But if you feel any difficulties, like if asked to do something, you can just click OK. Let's open it. So I have opened it again and you can see your Cisco Packet Tracer machine is ready. Now you can get the routers, the switches, all the devices here. You can get the firewall. Okay, you can get the cloud environment here. Okay, so you can get whatever you want inside this Packet Tracer. So now you can practice this. You can get the Wi-Fi router, you can get the, you can see, you can get the cell tower, you can get the generic server, everything inside this Packet Tracer for your CCNA lab. So thank you for watching this lab, and I hope you understand how to install Cisco Packet Tracer in your Windows machine. Thank you for watching.